Fluent Everyday English.
I see.
Great, let's move on.
I quit.
What happened?
Let go.
Okay, I'll stop holding.
I'm tired.
Me too.
My God.
What happened?
Can you help?
No way!
Come on, let's go.
All right, I'm coming.
Hold on a moment.
Sure, I'm waiting.
I don't like it.
I agree.
How was the movie?
Not bad.
Are you done?
Not yet.
I have to go now.
See you.
Stop talking.
Shut up!
It was nice meeting you.
So long.
Let's go to the park.
Why not?
Can I help you?
Allow me.
It's noisy here.
Be quiet.
You look sad.
Cheer up.
I finished my work.
Good job.
Have a good time.
Thanks, I will.
Are you hungry?
I'm full.
I'm back home.
Welcome home.
I don't know where I am.
I'm lost.
Let's go for lunch.
My treat.
I don't like this.
So do I.
Where do we go?
This way.
You first.
After you.
I sneezed.
Bless you.
I'm here.
Follow me.
Can I join?
Forget it.
Good luck on your test.
Thanks.
Can you come?
I decline.
Will you help me?
I promise.
You're driving fast.
Slow down.
I'm leaving now.
Take care.
My leg hurts.
They hurt?
I failed.
Try again.
Look out.
What's wrong?
What are you doing?
What's up?
The floor's slippery.
Be careful.
Cheers.
Bottoms up.
Don't touch that.
Don't move.
I have news.
Guess what?
Will it rain?
I doubt it.
The plan is good.
I think so.
Keep working.
I will. Keep it up.
I need a solution.
Let me see.
I'm sorry for being late.
Never mind.
Can you help me?
No problem.
That's all for today.
That's all.